Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find archived chat on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You can archive messages on Facebook to put messages in a different folder, away from the main list of conversation. This organizes your conversation without deleting them, which is helpful if you don't need to message someone but you want to save the text. If you can't find archived Facebook message, you can follow this step. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your message. Now you can tap on the gear here, gear icon here on the upright corner. You will see options. There is an archive chat, message request, and privacy. Of course, you can see your archive chat on this. You can tap on archive chats. Now here's all of your archive chat on your Facebook message. You can unarchive by tap and hold on the message that you want to unarchive, like this, and you can tap on unarchived. So the message will appear on your inbox. So that is how to find archived chats on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!